Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by establishing a strong wrestling stance and consistent distance control. Keep a low stance with knees bent about 45 degrees. Place weight evenly between both feet and stay light on the toes. Maintain 2 to 3 feet distance to control timing and entries. Use small footsteps to probe and create angles. Keep hands active and ready to grip sleeves, collar, or belt. Watch your opponent's hips and shoulders for movement cues and level changes. Begin entries with a 1-2 rhythm to unsettle your opponent's balance. Use feints and collar ties to break posture and create openings. Attack with a level change by lowering your hips before committing to a shot. Execute a penetration step, advancing one knee forward and driving hips into the opponent. Keep head positioned on the side of their chest for control. After contact, use angles by pivoting 30 to 45 degrees to finish the takedown cleanly. On completion, prioritize chest-to-chest contact and control of the near sidearm. Drive your hips heavy to block immediate shrimping or guard recovery attempts. Maintain a strong underhook on the far side to limit rotation and posture. Use a crossface to turn their head and disrupt bridging motions. Aim to land in side control or 1/2 guard while keeping knees wide for base. Transition quickly to dominant grips to start your next sequence of.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.